Welcome to AKN Spirit Education. Myself Naveen, I am the mathematics mentor. And today's our topic is about transpose of a matrix. What do you mean by transpose of a matrix? If A is suppose a matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of A is called as transpose of A. Let me explain, children. Consider a matrix A. For example, A equal to A is a m by n matrix. So I mean, how many rows are there here? Here we have 3 rows and 3 columns. If A is a m by n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. See, so actually here row is 0, 1, 2. Let me interchange this row as column 0, 1, 2. And the second row is 1, 2, 3. Second row this is interchange as column 1, 2, 3. And the third row is 2, 3, 4. Interchange as column 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is called as transpose of matrix A. Actually, it is denoted by either letter A dash, or we can also write it as A transpose. Simply, transpose is nothing but interchanging of rows and columns. Row will become column and column will become row. For example, consider a matrix A equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 2 minus 1. What is the transpose of matrix A? That is A transpose is equal to, what is the first row here? First row is 1 minus 2. You make it as column 1 minus 2. And the second row is minus 1 0. You make it as a column minus 1 comma 0. And the third row is 2 comma minus 1. You make it as 2 minus 1. Actually, here matrix A is the order, that is 3 by 2. And what is the transpose of A? Which is 2 rows and 3 columns. Here rows are 3, columns are 2. After transposing, columns becomes rows and rows becomes columns. So, children, you understood what you mean by transpose of matrix. By interchanging rows and columns of a given matrix is called as transpose of a matrix. Generally, they will ask you to find a given matrix A is equal to, for example, A equal to 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4, and they may ask to find first question A dash, O dash, and also they may ask you to find 5 into A dash. Okay, children. So for example, you see first question they are asking to find A dash whole dash. So actually A is given 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Let us find out A dash. A dash in the sense rows will become columns 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. This is our A dash. Rows will become columns 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And they are asking to find out A dash, O dash. Again we need to transpose to A dash, children. So A dash whole dash is equal to This row again will become colon 0, 1, 2. This row again it will become colon 1, 2, 3. And this row again it will become colon 2, 3, 4. What do you observe here, children? A dash O dash is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. What about A, children? A also 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. From this, what you understood? We can say that A dash O dash, which is equal to what, children? A dash O dash is equal to A. So which is a very important competitive exam bit. A dash O dash is equal to A. Right? So second question is what? 5 into A dash, children. So 5 multiplied by A dash. What is A dash, children? 5 into, as we got A dash, that is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 A dash means 5 into A dash. So this 5 will be multiplied to each and every element of matrix A dash. I mean 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20. In this way, we can find out 5 into A dash. We can perform addition operation, we can perform subtraction operation as well as multiplication. So this is about transpose of a matrix. Transpose we can denote it by either letter A dash or A dash. Transpose is nothing but interchanging of rows and columns. So I mean rows will become columns and columns will become rows, children. So this is the one of the important topic in our chapter matrices, children. Okay, I hope you understood this transpose of matrix. Thank you, children.